How to connect your Disney Speedstorm account with Gameloft. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can link your Disney Speedstorm game to Gameloft, and it'll let you save progress, sync across device and recover your account. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and from the home screen of Disney Speedstorm, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you end up in this settings menu, click on Connect from the top of the screen. Now click on Connect with Gameloft ID. Now, if you don't have a Gameloft ID yet, click on this I don't have a Gameloft ID button and follow through the registration. If you already have one, you can go ahead and enter your email address associated with Gameloft in the text box at the top. After typing down your email, enter your password in the password field. If you don't remember the password, click the Forgot Password link at the bottom of the screen. If you already have typed in your password and if it is correct, click on Login. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter the code sent to your email address associated with Gameloft. Go ahead and open up your email inbox. Open up the email from Gameloft Identity and copy the code inside it, or manually type it down inside this Speedstorm application. Now click on Submit Code. Soon after you do that, your verification will be successful. Now you'll be redirected to the game, and there you have successfully connected Disney Speedstorm account with Gameloft. After you do so, your game is now connected to Gameloft. Enjoy safe progress, easy recovery, and seamless play across devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.